So let's start our conference with a video, which is, I think, great. Do you hear? I hope you hear it. Yep, so this is about our association, and my team last year thought that I was talking too much during the conferences and meetups and everything. So during those beginnings of the meetings, I was just introducing our Agile associations for 15 minutes, and sometimes it's gone for half an hour, and now we've made this video clip. So they shortened my presentation to like minute and a half. So I'm glad we have this video, and it's first time we are sharing this publicly. So thank you very much, team, for this burden you moved to the video. And I am Leonard Vorobej, president of Agile Lithuania, and I would like to start with conference to talking still a little bit about our organization. So recently I started thinking about our organization as a platform, association as a platform. You can see this at the bottom of the screen. So I would like to call our association a platform where volunteers, where speakers, where partners can gather together and have a good experience, sharing experience and stuff going on around, which helps everyone on that platform. So basically, our organization is volunteer-based. Nobody is paid for what they're doing. And this is great. This is community I was building, and I like being there. So here you see a lot of people who are volunteers, members, and alumni. Today, we have around more than 100 people as an alumni or volunteers gone through our organization. And next year, we have 10 years anniversary of our organization. So it's going to be a great opportunity to celebrate this. Would like to say big thanks to our team. Recently to the conference, we joined many more volunteers, but the core team also was working hard more than a half a year on this conference to happen. So please applaud them, please say hi to them and thank when you see them in our platform, because they did a great job and still doing, and we have 2 days of this great experience. Also, I want to thank our speakers who are also volunteers in our conference. Most of them don't get any payment for this, talking and sharing their experience. So this is great. And yeah, I think this is very core of Agile. Just share experience you learned and share it with everyone, so all on the community can bring their experience and get better and better every day and every year. Also, we have a lot of partners, so thanks for them also. CGI, we have started talking with them about only Agile Tour as an event and partnership only for this event, but during the conversation, we understand that we can help each other even more. So they become a community partner, and thanks for that. So this is a global company which delivers custom software, and this is great that we have opportunity to collaborate with them throughout the whole year during all our events, and this is great. And we also have Agile Coach, thanks for them. This is partner which is going with us through the long journey, and we are partnering with them for a lot of years at the moment, and this is great. So we as a Agile Association introduce Agile to the people and get them onboarded, and then Agile Coach helps them as a professionals to develop skills and get everything better in their companies, in their projects. So I think this is great collaboration, and we continue doing that. And thanks for also for our social and info partners, PM Bridge, a conference which is going to be in a couple of weeks. This is also a good opportunity to collaborate with different conferences and just to share with you, Agile professionals, also different project manager practices, because in my opinion, as a project manager, you need to know a lot of different practices and just cherry pick those practices which are the best suit your current situation. And also we have O'Reilly as a sponsor. We have got 5 books from them, physical books. So today we will have some contests. So be active in our platform, ask questions, share your thoughts with all the community so that you could also get opportunity to win the O'Reilly book. And there are some other partners. Sorry about on Agile Coach. We have also partnering, and we saw that together we can make additional content for our event. So that's why they're here. They have additional track. We have 5 tracks, but additional track 6 is taken by on Agile Couch, and they are talking to speakers and informally sitting on the couch. Of course, there is no physical couch there on online event, but still it's informal conversation with some speakers from our conference. And I think this is great format for you also to get in, ask questions, and try to be there and listen to some informal things. Cool. And also thank you for attendees. So currently we have its latest number, 416 people, attendees registered in our platform. This is great. And you can see we almost reached our platform limit. So yeah, I was waiting when we can get 500, but not this time. So probably next year we will need to work harder to get this number. So thank you, attendees, because without you, we wouldn't need to go through all this organizational stuff. So thank you attending this conference. And some information about still our association and what we're doing. You've seen this slide on our video. So Agile Vilnius, Agile Tour Vilnius, you are on this conference at the moment. I will talk a little bit more later. Agile Kaunas is upcoming spring. We have workshop, full of workshops, conference, whole day conference, several tracks of workshops. So it's great opportunity to get more knowledge and practical skills on Agile during this conference. Agile Breakfast is a conference for our public sector. Every year we are having half a day conference for just a public sector, which can people can get there and learn Agile practices which are working in public sector. And meetups, every month we have 1 or 2 meetups. One of them is usually for public sector because we have spotted that more and more public sector is trying to get knowledge about Agile. So we decided not once a year deliver them content, but every month or every second month get them into meetup and have a knowledge sharing sessions, and also regular meetups which are open for everyone. It's a couple of hours evening meetup just to gather and share experience. And for public sector, if you are from there, valstybė.agile.lt is a primary source in Lithuania where you can get a lot of information regarding public sector. So please know this and go if you have any questions. And our association do also another stuff like translations, like we are working and living in Lithuania, so we need to translate some of the things. So we are working on that. Agile manifesto, Scrum guide, and vocabulary sharing with everyone so that you can talk right in Lithuania, regarding Agile. And also we have international collaboration with other associations around, and some of our volunteers are also doing lectures in university. So yeah, and I think as a platform, our association is good for you to join us and share your thoughts, and we as a platform can provide you with financial support, or volunteers can support you if you have a lot of ideas and want to just try out something in our community. And some numbers on our Agile Tour conference. So when this started, we only had 1 organizer. Today we have from 6 to 17 organizers, and at the moment we have 17 volunteers sitting around and helping you to get the best experience of this conference. And today we have more than 400 people, and we started with only 100 participants, 200 registrations in 2010, and 100 participants we had. Cool. And of course, some fun we're having while working hard to organize such events. Also, we are having parties 2 times a year. We're gathering whole community one place and just sharing ideas, having some trainings and etc. for volunteers, just to keep our community great and intact. There are some other links where you can find us and our organization. And one more important note, we have had before 2 Agile Manifesto authors or co-authors, and today we have Brian. So this is great opportunity to hear Agile Manifesto co-author, and he will be keynote speaker, but I don't remember when. I think it's today. The last talk is Brian's. So this is great opportunity. Thank you very much for this. And some practical things I would like to share with you, how to use our conference and web page. So just share with you some ideas and show down our platform. So when you connect to our platform, you see this interface. Yeah, you can check agenda. Don't be scared. It's not a partner's some kind of booth or something. It's a track, but as a partner is our community partner, we wanted to give them this reward, yeah, and name the track due to their company name. So yeah, you can add to your agenda the talks you would like, because we have 5 tracks running in parallel. So just choose your agenda wisely. Workshops are not going to be recorded. So if you want and feel like you want practical, some stuff to learn, so go to workshops and try to learn as much as you can. You can check also speakers we have. Try to go to attendee part and find people who are similar like you, having similar hobbies or something like that, and try to talk to them, network with them, and have fun, and find maybe next best friend. Yeah, so you can recommendation of people who are living in Vilnius and etc. So just put in your profile additional information, and platform will help you match right people around. And also try to participate in our community. We have a lot of topics where you can share your thoughts, you can ask questions and etc. So volunteers are monitoring those channels and helping you around. So if you have anything to ask, to share ideas, please do that. And you have also possibility to talk with people through messages or additional stuff. And also we have some prizes, as I've already mentioned. There are O'Reilly books, where there are some other stuff you can win. So just go, be active around, and you can win something today. And also we will be sharing some prizes for your feedback. So don't forget to leave your feedback on every presentation. You have Menti code, so just put it in your mobile phone and rate the presentation after it finishes, and be active during the presentation. Use QA part of the session, and also try to vote for not your questions, but the questions you like the most, and move on. So thanks very much for your attendance. And now I think we can start learning things around.